Let's get the machine ready for its first use. Start by removing all the packaging and labels from the machine and accessories. Then give everything a quick wash before its first use. The water tank, portafilter, filter baskets, and drip tray. Rinse well and dry thoroughly before reassembling. Open the water tank cover and fill with cold water just below the max line. You'll see the marking on the side of the tank. Replace the cover until it sits flush. This is a two-step alignment before you lock anything in. First, take the upper burr in your hand. You'll see an upward triangle mark on it. Line the triangle up with the unlock icon on top of the machine, then drop the burr into place. Now, rotate the burr clockwise until the triangle points to the lock icon. You'll feel it lock firmly into position. Next, position the bean container on top. You'll see a lock mark on the container and a line mark on the machine. Line these up, then turn the container clockwise until it locks in place. You'll feel it seat firmly. It shouldn't wiggle. Now turn the knob on the bean container clockwise to open up the coffee channel. Add freshly roasted coffee beans. Fill to just below the rim. Bean freshness matters here. Stale beans affect both the flavor and the extraction pressure. So fresh is always worth it.